Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to place a picture in the top right corner in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. This is a very common requirement when creating assignments, resumes, letterheads, project covers, reports, certificates and official document. Many users insert an image but struggle to move it freely, or the picture keeps jumping around when they type. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step methods to position an image in the top right corner without distributing the text or page layout. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here my assignment document. Now I am create a page on this document. Then select the page and go to the insert menu, click this picture option, then choose picture from our file, then click insert. Now we can see here a picture. Now I am decrease the size of the picture. Now click the picture and go to the format menu. Obviously you can click on the picture, otherwise not showing this format option. Go to the format option, click this wrap text option, then choose in front of text, then you can move it freely. Now we click this alignment option and choose the align right, then again go back this option and choose align top. We can see here the page margin and we align the picture right top corner easily. I hope you can understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.